Today we will learn about Vedic literature. Vedic literature from 1500 BC to 600 BC. It is presumed that the Rig Veda was composed while the Aryans were still in the Punjab. Vedic literature comprised of four literary productions. First, the Samhitas or Vedas, the Brahmans and Aranyakas and Upanishad. Vedic literature had grown up in course of time and was really handed down from generation to generation by word of mouth. Hence, these are called Shruti. The most important of Vedic literature are Vedas. Vedas are called Aparusha, that is, not created by man but God gifted, and Nitya, that is, existing in all eternity. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajur Faith, and Atharvaveda. The first three Vedas are jointly called Vedatri, that is, trio of Vedas. Of the four Vedas, the Rig Veda is the oldest text in the world and therefore is also known as the first testament of mankind. The Rig Veda contains 1028 hymns and 10,580 verses divided into 10 mandals. 6 mandals from 2nd to 7th are called Gotra, Vamshai Mandal, Kula Granth. The first and the 10th mandals are said to have been added later. The 10th mandal contains the famous Purushasukta, which explains the four varnas: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. The hymns of Rig Veda were recited by Hotri. The Samveda had 1549 verses. All verses were taken from the Rig Veda. The hymns of Samveda were redacted by Udgatri. This Veda is important for Indian music. The Yajur Faith is a ritual Veda. 8 hymns were recited by Atharvavayus. It is divided into two parts: Krishna Yajur Veda and Shukla Yajur Veda. It contrasts to the first two, which are in verse entirely. This one is in both verse and prose. The Atharvaveda, the fourth and the last one, contain charms and saves, 2 words of evils and diseases. For a very long time, it was not included in the category of the Veda. The Brahman explain the hymns of Vedas. They are written in the prose and ritualistic in nature. Brahma means sacrifice. The various sacrifices and rituals have been elaborately discussed in the Brahmans. Every Vedas has several Brahmans attached to it. The word Aranya means the forest. The forest texts were called Aranyaka because they were written mainly for the hermits and the students living in jungle. The Aranyaka are the concluding portions of the Brahmans. The Upanishad are philosophical texts. They are generally called Vedanta as they came towards the end of the Ved. There are 108 Upanishads. Vrihadaranya is the oldest Upanishad.